tell us who you are and what you had, what surgery you had done.
Do you want me to tell your name first?
Yes.
My name is Carmela Fratalone. I had a total knee replacement.
So Carmela, when did you have your knee replacement done?
A week ago.
Carmela, have you had to take any narcotics after your knee surgery?
Absolutely not. No pain.
Did that surprise you?
Yes, because Chris told me that I would be fine.
Okay, so what sets Dr. Gough's surgery apart from a surgery that your friend had that said she thought it was similar?
The doctor told me the difference the way she had it done and me, that he doesn't cut the muscle. And that's the difference.